The CEM of ADC, Purnachandra Jamatia, has finally replied in response to all the allegations about the ADC fund. He responded, the state government is not passing all the fund, which is why the ADC government is not able to make developmental works.
BJP Janjati Morcha has manipulated the ADC fund, which is why the BJP Janjati Morcha is asking the ADC government to show the account of which the central government has sent for ADC fund. BJP Janjati Morcha also demanded if the ADC government is not able to show the account of ADC fund, the state government should not pass the fund to ADC government. In the end, the CEM of ADC Purnachandra Jamatia make an allegation in response to all the interrogation reporters that the state government is not passing the ADC fund as per the agreement of the budget, which is why the ADC government does not even have enough money to pay the salaries for the employees. He responded the state government is not passing all the fund, which is why the ADC government is not able to make developmental work. On that account, the people of the state will be organizing a massive movement in coming days. The ADC government is ready to saw the details according to Phase 1, Phase 2 and Phase 3 to all people who is asking for the accountability of ADC fund. However, they are just waiting for the right time, says the CEM Purnachandra Jamatia.
ADC hapang paimani yagulo state government in thani busirang maka abo details nironi buskango focus kayeni nangu abo lokorok sinani nangu mong poriska jara jaru wanchogo tangnani musulman no tangoi mayani bagai last 2021-22 ni 20 तारिख एप्रिल ADC हाफांगो सपोर्ट ना लाइका बनी परे ताक्स जरा 2021-22 ओ अर्थबो छबो जे काउंसिल नि एप्रूव बजेट न बरो एक्सेप्ट खाया बरोनि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट नि होते बरो जोंनो एप्रूव खाइरो बजेट एप्रूव खाइरो बनी बिसिङो सासि जोंनो रया खाइबे Oros hawani musugu thangnai 2021-22 state government ADC ni budget no approve khaika 585 crore ni bisingo borok jno te 56 crore moto approach ra burang thik baike 22 days ni o 619 crore borok approve khlaika boni bisingo 585 crore borok rang 685 crore rang lokha te 126 crore borok rang lolia nge state government ni hoite sai tongo je tak khangnai orthobo so borok jono 500 koti rang lokha ni chao omo kubi kok keba oro jaga 500 koti je romani 619 koti ni bisingo se borok ro oro nibo salary ni purpose Chini ADC thane orthobo so salary ni purpose 518 koti taka thang borok sono rokha 685 crore nge MNC salary go sasi gati jora jori sung salary go roi me yang niro jotono no go nene Kanchanpur nene samono mono mahai go social welfare social education ni kormosari rok jora jori lock khali meni rok beton maya nei kormosari rok lock khali meni rok talang lai meni rok jeng gotna bu nokha je jeng jora jori state government fund rohayani bagoi salary rohayani bagoi salary sasi jora roi meyang 12% tier roi meyang nge tabong niwo jeng barbar ne 2 times jeng chithi rokha tabong ni bisingo ne state government chief minister ni thani chithi rokha kintu tabong jora reply phaya salary te development in no segregate khaina ni bagoi head of account sense khaina ni bagoi borok suno roi tongu tabo basically department wise je salary rogo plus local bodies they share of taxes ni chuno rangro nge share of taxes romani no borok development fund nei sawo local body nei rohmani no borok development fund nei sawo phia ba chung nokha ang ADC wo phaimani yagulo no o jinis no segregate khaina ni bagoi ex deputy CM ni aro bu sakha tabo ni chief minister no bu sakha thangnai chief minister ex chief minister biplop kumar dev no bu sakha je o jinis no isa sense khai ke chini bagoi subida nai tani ke chini ADC ni own staff tong prai 6000 moto bono share of taxes the local bodies ni mamani bai borno salary maro nge tabo ni 2022 first quarter je ramani namani abo bu tabo timely maya nguito nge salary sini staff no salary rona ni bagui alada head of account tonga ni nam page 1 page 2 page 3 kena sing detail sawi khana na chudu jora naisindi sing naisin tongu raja sarkar tama initiative na moni bangai sing kisa naisin tongu heba sing public ni thani jawab rona ni bagai ready tong
thanai laikhana अधिवेशन ADC ni hoite busu budget page khaijaka ngai tai jebabe dabu nung saga thasingo laikhana kogo ADC ni je ko employee rok din go pension retire thangtongo ngai aba haike retire thangi dong kai recruitment ni kuno nahar mung da tong buskango
belaki sumung ka ha thane अधिवेशन जों 1148 crore ni जों budget provision chunaka aro ni wo salary purpose जों प्राय 600 कोटी रां रखा ते development purpose जों 500 कोटी रां रखा nge arni bisi board of account kha boro full budget khaine ko stage ro tabo budai july boro full budget ngai nge ora jaga bosor por bosor chini employees ro retire kha tani ke ADC ni boys upang thangka kya recruitment kri chini ora tabok se jara 14300 something vacancy tong chini ADC go blai vacancy ko bang police ni bill tong kha alada sing police bill pass khai kya police bu 2000 moto sing nawani bagai mok khai ja process khlai ja kaisen karon ang joto naitunai lukrom no sanani musu sing tini bu 100 point roster no ADC go implement khaine hi hoi poroni thani go sing sakri nanani bagai vacancy fill up khaine ni bagai sanction khaini hi ro ke boro accept khaine pheba omo ADC kha chini tiprasani bagai ADC am sayo tongnai lukrom ni bagai nge sing tani or jaga 100 point roster chalu khaini ba ang ADC wo khaimani ya golo nokha ang agi ADC ni chakri mane Tripura ni simisi ung nahi tong Kolkata ni bu chakri khaine tong boro 10 afro jara oma phaine ro West Bengal ni nini Delhi ni mahai boro bu or jaga chakri makha nge six schedule sana jag mane chini tribal ni bagai Tripura ni bagai or jaga si chakri na thani ke jodi 69% bini jati no simar nai phke sini six schedule sanamani othot mangkhaba sing tini omo gosia sing ADC hafang phaimani loge no 100 point roster no cancel khaikya sing jekono sakri ma phana Tripura ni bangai ADC o tongnai ni bagai si sing sakri na nai hanoi je tabok 14000 moto vacancy tongmano sing borono omhaikini chithi rokha je chno post sanction khaidi thongsi जों Tripura no chakri na nai hanoi जों chithi rokha nge borok gosilia state government nge oro borok saitong kendra sarkar rajya sarkar no dinai khai ADC salok mai omo to kaisa constitutional body si oro na BJP na congress na CPM omoni kuno kok kore chini 12 বছর গঠন খাইজা খা গণতান্ত্রিক হিসেবে সংবিধানের মতে সীমা চলে নাই BJP ni kok na khebanu borok nai phö BJP ni kok nai ke borok sno ya omo to kok ngui mai tini 100 point roster go sekhebanu borok sanction khaine phö bono go se ekebani sanction khaya phö nge hani bangwai ang sanani musugo जों 100 point roster ang Tripura lukrom no sunani musugo nirok jodi sakha nge जों nironi mote ni khaine kintu जों musugia je borok 100 point roster follow khai जों chakri nanani musugia 100 জন chakri nakhe 100 জন Tripura magnai chini naham jotodin porjonto borok mania जों bahai kene tongnai.
He further make an allegation on state government and state governor for not giving approval to the new bill and scheme sent by ADC government, which is why the ADC government is also not able to make new recruitment for employment. Reported by Krishano from Agartala, Chini Khorang.